Appliance UK versus Brick is on now. So this Appliance UK silver 459. Oops. One dig just fell out. When they can't stand up anymore, we need a tripod to stand. There we go. Appliance UK silver 5962. OLED touchscreen. A little bit slim, but had a little bit of destruction on it, so yeah, hopefully that should fit. Hopefully the window dry can fit in there without no doubt. Yeah, that's gonna fit. Let's give it up. I'm so, you know what integrated washing machine's gonna be like. Ha 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 ha! Oh, just cut the fuse. Ha 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 ha! You know what they be like when you throw a brick in them. Jesus. Right. Appliance Uk did cheese. That's good. Just cut the fuse. Due to issues and the lack of the motherboard, he just actually there we go. It's actually the motherboard from the Appliance UK down to the silver. It's a silver washing machine, by the way, and this could fit without hopefully fix it. There we go. Ready? Ha 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 ha! Oh, that was a great one. Destroyed this. Well, destroyed the front panel. The grundy dryer. I better get the grundy dryer from the garden. That should definitely fit the that was good. Appliance UK is such a strong washing machine. That has some real dents off the side, broke the pedal, and so how can I get this out? Didn't like it. Alright, I can't get a gun to dry out. Can someone help me get this gun to dry out? So this dented there. No, Appliance UK be like. Nah, I can't get out. You know what? I'm gonna spill. Yeah, it's bedtime. The best bedtime, not bedtime. Bedtime, Mr. Davis. Go. Well, that's wet now. Been. There's a little dent on the top panel. Oh, the hopefully it'll fit another big. Alright, so well, I've got fat brick coming in. Oh, we got a fat brick coming in. Look at that. Oh, slug. Square slugging. Oh my god! Ha ha ha! Let's pick the phone. Okay, so the washing machine literally jumped onto its side, fell off its springs. Detergent drawers came off. That was good. That. But the count, but yeah, that one thing that it's that one thing that it goes for. Yeah, actually, one thing that goes on. It goes for that one thing that I kept throwing in it, and then it started jumping mad. It started raging and jumps. And it will rage and start jumping. Okay, so attempt to freeze them. Still mostly. Oh, it's gone out. Oh, this is about. Attempt 4 now. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Attempt 4. So I can fit with no don't. Yeah. Well. Oh my god. Our washing machine was kind of like a media, that washing machine. Oh my god. Well, there's attempt 4 done. That was a media. That was a media. As you can see, they broke the glass. They broke the glass, but didn't break the glass. But broke the glass is the one thing it already goes for. Is this? Every time throw one rock in, then nothing happens. But it's throw legs. go on walking, nothing just happens. It's like a wash counterweight versus a washing machine with a counterweight. It broke it's destroyed the back of the it destroyed the interlock, as you can see. Let's pull it back up. Make sure it's come out first. Make sure it's okay to come out. Oh. Yeah, that game was right. Appliance Uk just gave me. Actually, no, we'll leave it in there. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Okay, it's on the door seal. Ready? 3, 2, 1. I'm gonna go kick it in. Now, I think it must have died after the. Well, ha 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 ha. We leave it in there. We just sit on the door seal. And then turn on the washing machine and just gone in. Then, wow. The end of this. Ha ha ha. Ha 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 ha. Ha 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 ha. Well, I guess that's it now. I'll see if this. See if it's. No, that's not turning now. But anyway, thanks for watching. My videos are good. Make sure to like, subscribe, and go with the flow. Bye bye.